When I took the DCX3200 apart, I pulled out this M card and put it to the side and forgot to take it apart. So let's see if I can get into it. Well, I can get into it. It's a question of how aggressive it's needed. Okay, let's try pulling. Well, it's going to come apart one way or the other. So now I'm inside. I wonder if this will just push through after I break out this last piece. No. Okay. Bit more force. Obviously, I don't care too much about the thing. Okay, I can see chips in there. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to nibble through it using a very large nibble. Gotta get one of those little nibblers. Oh, that is sharp. Oh, another piece of plastic. Yeah, it really doesn't want to come apart. There we go. So this is what's inside a M card. Oops, here we go. Let me adjust the lighting. So here's a close-up of it. A Winbon W9864G6JH-6. If I find any information on this stuff, I'll probably just insert what it is. And on this one here, it is scraped. Okay, that was me. If I can find this, I'll also do an insert for it. Okay, this was November 2011. And what is this one? And give me a second. Okay, this one here. There we go. So here is the Winbon chip, W9864G6JH dash 6. Okay. Data sheet. It's memory. 1 meg by 4 banks by 16 bits static RAM. So let's see, anything interesting about it? Okay, it's a big IC. 6. Okay, speed 166 megahertz. There's the data on it. And the rest is probably boring since on this it says, this product is no longer manufactured. Okay, so that part's the memory. And now on to the FL032. So apparently it's a 32 megabit CMOS serial flash memory chip. Let's see what they say about it, if anything. Not recommended for new designs. Well, considering the age of this. 64K sectors. Let's just scroll through. If you want to take a look at it. Lots and lots of stuff. I'll never be using that one. So the whole purpose of this thing was, when I found the manual for it, you needed this inserted into the DCX3200 so that you could watch programs and on-demand content. So this would have contained probably your activation codes and all of that type of stuff. But it's basically memory, and didn't find this chip. And I scuffed this one too much, but it's probably a little micro controller. So that's it for this piece. Most of it's trash because it's so obsolete. Oh well, have a good one. Bye.